Do you feel nervous when asking about university degree programs in English? What if you could speak confidently with a student counsellor in just a few minutes? In this video, you'll learn how to inquire about a degree program professionally and confidently. By the end, you'll know how to ask about entry requirements, tuition fees, career prospects, and scholarships using natural English.
Good morning. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'm interested in enrolling in a degree program, and I'd like to get more detailed information before making a decision.
Of course. May I ask which field you're considering?
I'm leaning toward business management, but I'd like to understand the program structure and long-term career prospects.
That's a wise approach. The program is designed to provide both theoretical knowledge and practical exposure. It spans 3 years and includes internships in the final year.
That sounds promising. What are the entry requirements?
You'll need at least 2 A-level passes or equivalent qualifications. We also assess English proficiency if your previous education wasn't conducted in English.
I see. Could you clarify the tuition fees and whether there are flexible payment options?
Certainly. The annual tuition fee is structured per semester. We offer installment plans, and there are merit-based scholarships available.
That's reassuring. Are there opportunities for international transfer or exchange programs?
Yes, we collaborate with partner universities abroad. Eligible students may transfer after completing the second year.
Excellent. I'm also concerned about employability after graduation.
Understandably so. Our graduates have secured positions in multinational companies. We provide career guidance, CV workshops, and interview preparation sessions.
That gives me confidence. When does the next intake commence?
The upcoming intake begins in September. However, early registration is advisable as seats are limited.
Thank you for the comprehensive explanation. What would be the next step if I decide to apply?
You may submit your academic transcripts along with the application form. Once reviewed, we'll schedule a brief interview.
Perfect. I appreciate your time and clarity.
It's my pleasure. Feel free to reach out if you need further clarification.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Enroll. Officially join a course. Exposure. Practical experience. Internship. Temporary work experience. Equivalent. Equal in value. Proficiency. Skill level. Collaborate, work together. Employability, ability to get a job. Intake, admission period. New phrases. I'm leaning toward, I prefer. Long-term prospects, future opportunities. That sounds promising, sounds good. Could you clarify, explain clearly? That's reassuring, makes me feel confident. Understandably so, reasonably. Early registration is advisable, better to apply early. Comprehensive explanation, detailed explanation. Feel free to reach out, contact anytime. Great job listening, you learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.